Hello, my name is Justin. I'm here today to talk about the Fantech Hero HRV or heat recovery ventilator. It's responsible for the ventilation of your home. There's a filter in here that needs to be serviced on a regular basis, and give you just a quick few pointers here on how to do that. First of all, you want to unplug the HRV to disconnect the power. Simply unclip the door. There's a filter here that can be, as we can see, there's a little bit of dust buildup on here already. So this can be vacuumed off, very simply cleaned. This is the filter that is on the home side of the system. Same thing, this can be vacuumed, soaked in just water. You don't need any chemicals. Give that a clean, let it rinse and dry. Then, more importantly, this is what's known as the HRV core. This can also be removed every 6 months. You want to give this also a vacuum. Maybe take it up to your bathtub or in a bucket, soak it in water for a couple hours, have it drain out, make sure it's perfectly dry, and back in it goes. Home side filter, nice and clean, ready to go. You want to make sure that the shiny side is facing out. And then this is our exterior filter. Same thing, shiny side facing out. Over here on the Fantech Hero series, this is an additional filter. As we can see, this one is a little bit dirty, so it can be changed as well. Another thing that we can do as well, if you're worried about, especially in today's world climate, this can be upgraded to a HEPA filter. And that's something that we can definitely supply. Now we're ready to reinstall the door. There's a set of hooks on the top of the door that can just be hooked back into the body of the HRV. Gently push on the center. Relatch the door. Then we can plug it back in. Also on your HRV, there is a drain portion of it. Since you have moist air from outside potentially coming inside, this is a drain that will look after that moist air. And this loop is a trap because we're creating a negative pressure inside the HRV, that we don't want this drain to be able to suck anything. So that's why this loop, we want to make sure that that's clean. Sometimes that will get built up with a little bit of grime that needs to be cleaned out, and make sure it's free, and you can loop it back up, and away you go.